Nowadays student, we are going to discuss question number 5.35, and in this question it is given to you a block of mass 15 kg is placed on a long trolley. Clear? So let's suppose we have a long trolley. Let's suppose this is a long trolley. Clear? And let's suppose here we have, these are the wheels, and let's suppose this is ground. Clear? So in this question it is given a block of mass 15 kg. Let's suppose here we have this mass, and let's suppose we have this block having mass 15 kg. It is placed on a long trolley. Okay, fine. The coefficient of static friction between block and trolley is given to you. So mu value given 0.18. Clear? The trolley accelerates from rest with an acceleration 0.5 meter per second square for 20 seconds. Clear? So I can say acceleration is given to you 0.5 meter per second square. Clear? For starting 20 seconds, and after that it will move with constant velocity. Okay, fine. So discuss the motion of a block. Okay, first it is observed by a stationary observer, or we can say observer on a ground, and second we can say observer situated on this trolley. Clear? So first let us try to analyze that what is the friction force acting between we can say this block and this trolley when this block comes into picture. So I can find here first limiting friction. Limiting friction is given by mu times of n. Coefficient of static friction is given 0.18 and multiplied with, I can say, normal reaction. So normal is equal to 15 g. So I can say this is 15 and g nothing is given, I am taking 10. Clear? So from here you can say, we can write like this, 18 by 100, and this is 15 into 10. This one and this one cancelled out. Clear? So I can say this is 3, we can say this is 2, and this one is 9. Clear? So from here we can say this is equal to 27, and we can say this is Newton. Clear everyone? This is 27 Newton. Clear? But it is also given that this trolley is going with some acceleration 0.5 meter per second square for starting 20 seconds. So let's suppose if I talk about non-inertial frame. Clear? In the non-inertial frame I can say that if observer is situated here, definitely or you can also assume if you are just observing from a inertial frame, let's suppose from ground reference, you can say if this is going with this acceleration, this one is also going with same acceleration. So now first we calculate here acceleration of this block. Clear? So I can also write like this, net force this is acting on this block, this is given by mass into acceleration. Mass of this block is given 15 and acceleration is given in this question 0.5. So from here we can say this is 7.5 Newton. Now listen carefully. Force acting on this 50 kg block is 7.5 Newton, but limiting friction, this is acting between block and trolley, this is 27 Newton. It means we can say external force is less than limiting friction. It means we can say this block always remains stationary with respect to this trolley. Yes or no? Clear everyone? Because the net force this is acting on this 15 kg is not sufficient to come this block into motion. Clear? It means we can say this part is clear to us that trolley and block both will move simultaneously with time. Yes or no? It means we can say there is no relative motion between block and trolley. Clear? Yes. Now listen carefully. In the first part of this question it is asking, let's suppose an observer is on a ground. Clear? We have stationary observer, and we can see at the time what is the motion that is observed for this block. I can say, let's suppose I am situated on a ground. At that time if I see the motion of this block, I can say yes, in starting 20 seconds this block will move with some constant acceleration, that is 0.5 meter per second square, but after that it will move with the constant velocity, because as an observer I see the same motion of this block as the trolley. Clear? Because this block remains stationary with respect to this trolley. Clear? But very important. If I talk about part number B, an observer is situated we can say in a non-inertial frame. Non-inertial frame means what? Let's suppose if I place observer in this trolley, and let's suppose that observer is observing motion of this block. I can see at the time, because acceleration of this and acceleration of this block both are same. Or you can say, if you apply here concept of pseudo force, you can say that you will feel that this block is not moving. It means we can say net force acting on this 15 kg block, this one is 0. Or we can see whenever this trolley is going with constant velocity, again you will find there is no motion of this block. Clear? So now I am going to conclude this question. Conclusion is very simple. If I am observing from ground, clear, at that time I will find the same acceleration of block as the trolley. Clear? And for the 20 second both will move with the same acceleration. After that both will move with a constant velocity. Clear? But if I talk about non-inertial frame, or if I am talking about observer that is situated on a trolley, so with that observer I can say this block remain at rest with respect to this observer. Clear? And at that time you will always find this block is always at rest. Clear? So my dear student, this is all about this question. Clear?